So here is the new topic, John Brown, written by Bob Dylan, a well-known musician, a lyricist, and a Nobel laureate. His poems are known for, further we should call it, lyrics are known for the simplicity and the depth. When you will read the topic, you will find it very easy. But if you judge the volume and the depth of affection, emotion, sentiment, human sentiment, and other things, the poems are too deep, too vivid, and too practical. So, John Brown is such a kind of poem. Immediately, we'll mark it as anti-war poem. Before going further, we'll mark it anti-war poem. So, first thing that is comes in our mind, what is anti-war? Anti-war basically known as against the war. So it is not only against the war, but also against those people who are warmongers, who are responsible for this deadly war. So this is an anti-war poem that diminishes, that spoils the romanticism related to battle, war, bloodshedding. Human beings do have kind of romanticism related to war. So John Brown is a character in the poem, a kind of biographical poem where the story of John Brown is poetically depicted. What he has done, what is the tragedy or sacrifice or the sentiment related to this particular character, everything is mentioned. But one thing you have to remember, when the soldiers go to fight a battle for the motherland, they sacrifice their life. Entire country waits for them. They die immediately, they are respected with the national flags on their body. But it is very painful that after a year or two, soon they are forgotten. Human sentiment is too fragile. So it is better that all the countries in the world should stop fighting war and battle. When a soldier dies, immediately a son dies of a mother. Immediately a husband dies of a wife. Immediately a father dies for a daughter or son. So each and every soldier who dies in the battlefield does have a great value. Not only for country, but for the family, but for everyone. He is a valuable one. So, the demise of a dear and near one is really painful. All will be obviously giving highest respect to that particular individual, the soldier. But what happens? What feelings does the mother feel? Mother have, wife have, or the son or daughter does have. So these things should be taken into consideration. Then all you will understand an anti-war poem written by Bob Dylan. John Brown went off to war to fight on a foreign shore. Shore means actually sea beach, but here it cannot be sea beach. It should be, instead it should be a foreign land. So where did John Brown go? To a foreign land to fight a battle. His mama sure was proud of him. His mama was too proud of him. He stood straight and tall in his uniform and all. His mama's face broke out all in a grin. Here grin stands for a smile. He was standing straight and tall, brave, handsome. He was standing in uniform. Mother was extremely happy in finding the son serving the nation with dignity. So this is the introduction. Oh son, you look so fine. I am glad you are a son of mine. The mother is very happy as her son is going to fight for the nation. You make me proud to know you hold a gun. Mother is happy that the son does have a gun with him. Do what the captain says. Follow the order of the captain. Lots of medals you will get. If you follow the orders of the captain, you will get lots of medals, my dear son, and will put them on the wall when you return. What the mother will do? Will keep all the medals on the wall in order to showcase the bravery of her son. So mother is very proud that the son is going to serve the nation. Come home. As the old train pulled out means started the journey. Started the journey. John's ma began to shout. Here, ma stands for mother. Though it sounds as we Indian call our mother ma. Telling everyone, it is American English, so you can expect such kind of writing. Telling everyone in the neighborhood. You can see the use of neighborhood. Instead of B-O-U-R, it is written B-O-R. Everyone, she shouted, she declared to everyone, that's my son that is about to go. My son that is about to go to the warfield. That's my son that is about to go. He is a soldier now, you know. So the mother is too proud. She is pointing at her son, saying that is my son. He is a soldier now and he will go to the battlefield to serve the nation. She made well sure her neighbors understood. She made all the possible. She made all the possible activities, all the possible declaration and prepare all the speeches so that the neighbor should understand what she actually means. She actually means that she is extremely proud of her son. She means that her son is a special one who is going to serve the nation. Up to this.